Good day, everyone listening to us. Welcome to Procyon Television and Radio. We are here today to speak to you to what I believe you would like to hear. Seated beside me here, you see a woman whom I believe she's here to tell us something important. But before I introduce her, I would like to introduce the mountain himself, the peacemaker himself.
All right. Nice and lovely people. It's nice to be here again. And I'm sure when you see a setup like this, you know that it's something very important that we want to talk today. My name is Ehis Adon. Even if Mazi Uche did not tell you his name, my name is Ehis Adon. And we have a woman of substance with us in the studio today. One that we can aptly call a woman of timber and Iroko. She is graciously in the studios of Procyon Radio and Television and to give us a brief about what's happening in the entertainment industry. I'm sure you know that the election into the Kaduna State chapter of the Actors Guild of Nigeria, AGN, is coming up very soon. And that's part of the reason why she is visiting us here in Procyon Radio and Television to give us a bit about it. And who am I talking about today? I'm talking about the one and only princess in AGN Kaduna. Princess, tell the people who you are and let's get to meet you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. My name is Princess ULOMA ORJI.
Okay, Princess ULOMA, you are very much welcome.
Thank you.
My boss here have said it all. The Actors Guild of Nigeria, Kaduna State chapter they are preparing for election. I believe it's this month. And we actually learned that you are one of the contestants. And I wouldn't want to bore you with too much questions. My boss said I did not introduce myself. I was saving the best for the last. My name is Uche Ijegalo. Please, sir, I would like you to discuss this issue with her while we roll the whole thing.
All right. First now, Princess, would like to know why you are coming out for the chairmanship position of AGN Kaduna. In brief.
Okay, thank you, sir. The reason is not far-fetched. I have paid my dues. Yes, I've paid my dues. This is I'm 22 years to be precise with the guild. We started the guild in Kaduna here, and I am still with the guild. So I think I've paid my dues, and I want to give the guild my best.
Now, in brief, tell us what you have for the guild and why you think the members should vote you as the chairman.
Okay, thank you, sir. I would have loved to, open up, but I think I should keep that for the manifesto night.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And I'm inviting all of you to come and hear what I am actually coming out to do for AGN. Okay, I think for years, I have people that have built their capacity and also built mine, because I know that I'm sure I've been nursing it that one day I will handle the guild. I was one of the ESCOs, the first ESCOs in Kaduna. I was coming out for the post of the same chairmanship, but he's somebody I respect so much. When we had our discussions, I noticed that he was also nursing same interests. I decided to step down for him, and I now went for the post of PRO. And I did so well by the grace of God. We had a lot of activities and fun. And I want to tell you today that I am the event manager Nigerian Breweries. Through what I was doing for AGN then, I got my job. And I am still with them. This is 16 good years. I've been with Nigerian Breweries as the event manager. So I'm happy I'm going in again, and I want to do better this time.
All right, you heard it. She's coming again for the post of the chairmanship of the Actors Guild of Nigeria Kaduna chapter, and she has promised that she is going to do better this time around. So, Princess, want to sincerely thank and appreciate you for having time to be on this show today. And even as we leave, I'm sure our reporters would have a word or two with you as part of what we do right here, Procyon Radio and Television. This is also to open it up to other people that are interested in being part of the show. You can always get across to us. And the number to call and get across to the studio is 0809 799 1989, or go to any of the social media platforms. It's Procyon RTV. That's the social media handle, Procyon RTV. Procyon RTV stands for Procyon Radio and Television. Once again, Princess, thank you so very much for having time to be on the show. Mazuche.
Thank you, sir.